Question is to find the G inverse of x. For us to do this, what we need is exactly the G function of x that you can see here. So I'm exactly going to write out the G function of x exactly this way. I'm writing it out as G of x is given as 1 plus 4 over 2x plus 1. All right. Since I've gotten this, remember that we can easily change the left hand side to y. So I can easily write it as y is equal to 1 whole plus 4 over 2x plus 1 as the denominators. Now what I want to do also is to simplify this into a whole fraction. And to make everything here a whole fraction is going to make my work easier. It's going to become 2x plus 1 times x is going to be 2x plus 1. So I'm going to add 4 to it. That is 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is my new numerator all over the same denominator of 2x plus 1. All right. I'm going to follow exactly the same steps I followed when I was solving question 1. So, first thing, make x the subject of formula. And to do that, it means I'm going to multiply 2x plus 1 by y, which is going to be equal to 2x plus 5. So open up the bracket on the left hand side. 2x times 1 leaves you with 2xy plus y times 1 is y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now I'm going to collect like terms together. I'm bringing the 2x on my right hand side to the left, while the y on my left hand side goes to the right. That leaves us with 2xy minus 2x is equal to 5 minus y. All right. Now, the next stage is to factor out x. If I factor out x, it is going to be x open bracket 2y minus 2 is equal to 5 minus y. To leave x alone as an independent term, I'm going to divide each term on both sides, or rather divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So I'm dividing both sides by 2y minus 2. And I'm doing exactly the same thing to the right hand side, 2y minus 2. Therefore, we have succeeded in keeping x as the subject of formula where x is equal to 5 minus y all over 2y minus 2. Now our final answer for solving for the G inverse of x is going to be G inverse of x is equal to, remember to change the letter y to x this time. So it's going to be 5 minus x all over 2y, sorry, not 2y, all over 2x, because we are changing the letter y to x, remember that. So it's going to be all over 2x minus 2. So we finally concluded the answer to the second question.